Hey all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you all a very yummy meat recipe. It's Bhuna Gosht Masala. This recipe can be made with mutton, chicken or also with beef. I hope you will like this preparation of mine, so keep watching. To begin, in a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices. 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom. Fry for few seconds. In goes 2 finely chopped onions. Fry them till dark brown. Once the onions turn dark brown, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry till the raw smell of the paste fades away. Add very little water and mix well. In goes 500 grams meat on bone. Mix well and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame or till the color of the meat changes. Once done, add few curry leaves and the spices. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder and salt to taste. Mix well to coat the meat with the spices. Once the meat is coated well, fry on high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. Once done, add 60 ml curd. Give a good mix and cook for 1 minute. Once the curd is cooked well, add 2 tablespoons of thinly ground cashew paste and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Mix well and cook for 1 minute. Add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. (100 ml) water. Give a good mix. Also check for salt and add if required. Add few coriander leaves and 1 chopped green chili. Cover and pressure cook till completely cooked. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. You can see the water has well absorbed. Also, let's see if the meat is cooked. You can see the meat breaks easily and hence is well cooked. Add few more chopped coriander leaves and now stir fry or roast on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes or till you see the oil separated at the corners. Now add juice of half a lemon and mix well. Once mixed well, turn off the heat and let's dish this out. I serve this with plain rice and tadka dal. Recipe of tadka dal is coming soon. Do stay tuned. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching this video. Do give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below this video. Subscribe to my channel to meet us again. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye-bye.